Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Boomer from the Rowdyruff Boys. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, we're going to first start off near the top and let's draw a long curve down and out on both sides for the bottom of the hair. Now for the ends, let's step in and let's draw a curve across for the shape of the face. Now let's hop inside and draw the eyes. We'll start with two angled lines down, leaving a gap in the center. Then for the ends, let's draw an angle up. Now for the shape of the eyes, let's step in and let's draw a curve over to the sides. Now inside, let's draw another curve close to the bottom. Now on top, let's leave a gap and let's draw another circular curve. And then one more near the top. And now let's color these middle sections in black. Lastly, for the face, let's draw a curve on an angle for the mouth. Now that we're done the face, let's hop up and let's draw the hair. From the sides of the hair we drew earlier, let's curve it upwards. Now let's add another pointed piece out on both sides. Now another curve going out. Now let's hop to the top in the center and let's draw a curve across for the top of the head. And then let's curve it out and down on both sides. And lastly, on top of the head, let's draw two small curves going up. And that's it for the head. Now let's move down and draw the body. Underneath, let's start with two angles down and out for the sides of the body like this. And then a line across the bottom. Now inside, let's add the stripes. Let's draw one across near the bottom, and then two more on top. And then color the stripes in black. Now underneath, let's draw the legs. Let's draw two angles down on the left side. And the same on the right. And then a curve at the bottom to close off each foot. Now let's hop inside and let's draw a line across at the bottom here. Then from the sides, let's bring it in and angle it back down. And then a line across in the center. Now let's color the rest of the legs in black. And that's it for the legs. Lastly, let's draw the arms. Let's start underneath the head on the left and let's draw a curve down, around, and back up. And the same on the right side. And then let's add an angle inside for the sleeves. And that's it for Boomer. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!